Number 1. Max Power Water Pump Pliers Set. Ideal for gripping round, angular and flat workpieces like pipes, couplings, nuts, bolts, sheet metal, or screws. Number 2. Rigid Offset Hex Jaw Pipe Wrench. Built to perform in the harshest job site conditions, this 9.5-inch offset pipe wrench easily fits a pipe capacity of 1 1/8 inch, 29 mm, to 2 5/8 inch, 67 mm. The hex jaw mechanism provides a multi-sided secure grip on all hex nuts, square nuts, unions, and valve packing nuts, and the offset design features an extra-wide opening that is ideal for securing drain nuts on sinks and tubs. The thin and smooth jaws effortlessly slip into even the tightest and most restricted spaces for ease and convenience during use.
Number 3. Metabo Paint Stripper. A paint remover that strips paint, varnish and other coatings on flat wood surfaces up to 70% faster than other methods. The paint remover, which is also suitable for use on untreated wood, provides a more environmentally sound solution for coating removal than other methods such as heat gun with putty knife and chemical stripping. The paint remover features Metaboss exclusive S-automatic clutch, which increases the life of the tool by reducing damage to the gear train when the planer hits a nail on siding or wood. The efficient design incorporates the same winding protection grid featured on other Metabo tools, reducing the overall cost to the customer. The tool has 4 reversible solid tungsten carbide blades for long service life, while a low vibration level reduces user fatigue. It creates minimal dust during use and is highly suitable for handling rabbets. Blade cutting diameter is 3 1/7 inch and the maximum rabbeting height is 1 1/10 inch. Cutting depths are 0.012 inch axial and 0.006 inch radial. No-load speed for the LF724 is 11,000 RPM, torque is 18 inch-pound, and total tool weight is 6.25 pound. Number 4. Capro Set and Match Layout and Marking System. Custom build your own layout and marking tool in seconds with the Set and Match system. Just slide and lock your choice of accessories to the patented Set and Match ruler for the perfect drywall, carpentry or multi-purpose laser tool. Number 5. Pipe Cutter. Pipe cutter is made of aluminum alloy and easy to work. Cutting rubber hose PPR tube. The triangular edge blade design making cutting pipe and tube easier and faster, and the incision is flat and level. Thickened Hoddefield steel blade is more harder, powerful and durable. Self-locking ratchet cutting, no spring back and keep you safe. Large opening, larger shear range. Number 6. TerraPump 4th Gen Gas can fuel transfer pump. Pump head air breakage removed to prevent any fuel spills. Longer discharge hose, 25 to 35 inch, fuel from greater distances. Up to 20% more powerful motor and reinforced more fuel-resistant plastics. Power button cover updated for accidental spills and transfers to several outlets like gas cans. Fits most North American fuel plastic cans with 3 different adapters size. Number 7. Wagon 12-volt roadside impact wrench. Powerful 258 feet-pounds torque power to loosen and tighten vehicle lug nuts for tires. 1/2 inch drive and 9.5 feet power cord length. One-handed forward and reverse. Suited for all maintenance applications, light vehicle tire changing, general maintenance on vehicles, and MRO applications. Number 8. Smith's corded knife and tool sharpener. The knife and scissor sharpener is designed with preset angled guides at 20 degrees for straight edge knives and a preset guide for sharpening scissors. Floating backing plates allow the belt to stay straight and not burn the blade tip. The Smith's knife and scissor sharpener includes 3 abrasive belts: fine, medium, and coarse. Number 9. Power 8 Create Plus, all-in-one multifunction combo toolkit. The Power 8 workshop centers around an award-winning designed multifunction, innovative case, and the unique UniGrip system. The UniGrip connects the battery pack and motorized tool heads to form individual handheld tools. This compact design makes the Power 8 the world's smallest combo toolkit. Combined with the armored case, this toolkit becomes a full multifunction workshop. The drill and drive, circular saw, jigsaw, and work light tool heads can become handheld power tools. Simply insert the battery and attach any Power 8 motorized tool head into the UniGrip. Benchtop functions include drill press, table saw, and scroll saw. Mount the Power 8 motorized tool heads directly to the workshop case. Accessories include lever and post, table saw shield, scroll saw guide, and diffuser. Number 10. Channellock 10-inch Speed Grip Straight Jaw Tongue and Groove Pliers. Channellock Speed Grip Tongue and Groove Pliers make fast and easy non-slip adjustments so you can get the job done even quicker. Laser-hardened crosshatch teeth grip stronger and last longer thanks to innovative engineering. There is also a reaming feature for easy deburring of pipe. Finally, like all Channellock pliers, Speed Grip Tongue and Groove Pliers are made in the USA from high-carbon US steel for ultimate strength, and have comfort handles with no slip grips.